Radio Pakistan's best listener poet-writer, Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal. Fulji Station District Dadu. Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal, son of Ahmed Khan Jahtiyal, was born on January 1, 1957, in village Kamal Khan Jahtiyal Dadu. The book Awaz Ji Dunya Jasati alias Manmohan Mang Malhar. The year of his birth is written in the book as 1956. He started poetry in college in the year 1975. During this time, he was a well-known listener of radio and the best poet and writer of Naitehi. Dr. Sahib had a great interest in literature. Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal was a versatile personality. Apart from poetry, he also wrote columns, stories, and articles which were published in various newspapers and magazines. He was associated with Sindhya Dabi Sangat, Siga, and other literary and social organizations. Qarba Jahtiyal Sahib obtained his B.Bossaram.P. degree and opened his own hospital in Fulji Station under the name of Rizwan Clinic. He was a good doctor by profession and a messiah for the poor people of his area. Apart from this, he also had a deep love for music and radio. Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal used to write letters and postcards to all the stations of Radio Pakistan. He also wrote letters in the Sindhi service of All India Radio. That is, he gained international fame by writing letters to various radio stations in the country and abroad. Due to his love for radio, in the year 1992, we revived the spirit of radio. Dr. Sahib started a publication series called Radio Publication from Fulji in the year 1995 for those interested in radio. He was the editor of which. About 12 issues of radio publication were published. Apart from this, on January 8, 1997, he founded an organization of radio enthusiasts, Radio Listeners Information Association, of which he became the president. Every year, he used to call a gathering of radio enthusiasts, producers, musicians, listeners, and artists in Fulji, in which he was awarded a certificate of appreciation for his excellent performance. Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal organized many programs from the platform of Saga, and also gave awards. He was a courageous and dynamic person. He also had immense love for poets and writers. My first meeting with Dr. Sahib was through Munawar Mullah, when we were in Fulji on the anniversary of Sayin al-Hinwaz Ruknai. There was also a poetry reading, in which poets from far away participated, where I also met Asif Mithiwani and Mehboob Deepar for the first time. That time, the love shared by Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal and his friends will not be forgotten. There are many things to talk about, but as time passes, we will definitely talk about it on another occasion. This great person, actor Qarba Jahtiyal, left us on August 21, 2012. You are needed. But you are not forgotten. Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal's talented son, Dr. Rizwan Jahtiyal, and his nephews Deeder Sham and Sajid Sindhi keep organizing his death anniversary and birthday celebrations, in which the entire Sangat has full support. A book of poetry, Qarba Jahtiyal, has been compiled. Deeder Sham / Sajid Sindhi, published in 2024. Earlier, another book was published on the first death anniversary of Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal, Dr. Qarba Jahtiyal's book on Qarban.